This is what we have. Basic HTML5 page. Alright, next thing I gotta do is call in the the CSS style sheet. I already have it copied in my clipboard. It's called main.css, and you'll notice right here inside of CS5 that the style sheet, well, hold on, the style sheet should be create the folder for it. That's why. So let me create a folder. New folder, CSS. Let me drop that inside of there. Update. Alright, so now there it is. So I'm not going to drag this out too long. I'm just going to copy and paste the CSS inside of here from the original file. The first tag I'm going to use is I'm going to mark up the body tag, and all I'm doing is making the margin, making it width. I'm marking the body tag up, got the width 760 pixels, font family. We're gonna call the background image in, and we want it to repeat. But with me adding that tag in, let's look at it. Nothing really happened. Let me find the image. Let's insert the image. So let me go to insert image. Well, let me save this. Let's go to code. Let me add the image. Matter of fact, let me create an image folder right here. Images. Alright, so I got an image folder. Okay, now let me just get all the images from the folder. This is it right here. Copy. I put it inside of there. So that's the background image. That's the background image. Let's refresh this. Alright. And there we have it. Now the background image is showing inside. Nothing fancy. Okay, the next block of code we're gonna paste in is, it's gonna be all of the I want to paste in everything that belongs inside the header. So let me take this, copy it, paste. And pretty much all I have is the header. Don't forget, in CS3 you can use the selectors. They actually can be used. The HTML5 tags can actually be used as selectors in CSS3. That's the good thing about it. So I got a header tag, display block, border radius. Border radius is a new CSS3 tag. It allows for you to make rounded edges. Before you would have to do this inside of Photoshop, but now we can do it with CSS3. I think border style is a new CSS3 double, border style double. I'm not sure if it's a new one. H1, H4, those are my headers. Blocks, I want to display them in blocks. Padding left, you should be familiar with that. WebKit, wait a minute, let me take this code out because this don't work. Yeah, I was just fooling around with something. I haven't got that to work yet. So I just took that out. We'll probably play that later on. Padding left, text justify. This is just basic CSS stuff that you probably already know. Text align, text justify. Let me close that tag. Simple stuff. H2. Right here I added a text shadow. Before, this is something you had to do inside of Photoshop, but now we can add text shadows to our from our CSS. We got the H3 tag, H4 tag, nothing fancy, nothing new there. Let's go over here to live view, and there we have it. You see the text shadow, you see the style applied. Just kind of jump it up right now, but you know, let's move on. Let's get all the code for the nav. Copy and paste that. So with the nav tag, that's we got the list style none, display block, clear right. These are basic CSS tags, nothing new there. What's up with that height tag? That should be height. Display inline. This is just making that horizontal bar, navigational bar that goes across the screen for your navigation. What do we have new in this text decoration? Nothing really new in here, you know. Margin bottom, display block, float right. Nothing really new for our CSS3 concerning that. Let's go to the live view, and there we have it. It's already there. It's already in there. And when you mouse over it, it turns blue. So that will be that little mouse over effect comes from let's see, this right here, A Hoover, and change the color to that. But let's save it. File, save all. So this will look like inside a regular split view. Live code, this what it looks like right here. And eventually we're gonna look at it inside the browser. But right now we're just trying to put this thing together. There's nothing fancy, and seems like it's coming together real slow. Like I said, the files are available for download, so you can play with it yourself and do whatever you want with it. But so far this is what we have. We're putting the CSS in, and we're going from the top down and making up, making our CSS styles, and making everything look pretty. This is where the magic coming at. Okay.